Alright, got some pretty intense damage down in the lower body line of a Mazda SUV. So you see that's whacked in pretty good. Just show you a little bit about setup here. This bottom piece was hit really good, so I'm just trying to put some tension on it as I'm taking a hammer with a rubber edge and just gently, oops, kind of working it like that, and putting tension on it. So see how it goes. Here's a little insight and a page out of Bryce Kelly's book. So I'm just taking the quarter power and trying to move the metal that way to relieve a lot of this tension. I'm actually going to do the same thing up here and here as well, but the bottom was hit pretty hard too. I got pretty well straightened out at this point, so it's hard to show, but yeah, just, you know, slowly but surely put some tension. All right, as promised, we got these blocks glued to the upper body line now, and just taking our porta power and just putting a little bit of tension on it just to see what's happening here. And as you can see already, it really took a lot of stress off of that. It's looking a lot more promising now, so it's a big relief for me at least. So stick around. All right, so this is the final product. Pan around here and show you. Really happy with this repair. There's my helper. Couldn't have done it without her. As you can see, it's actually able to bend the molding out a little bit too. It was hit so hard the plastic was bent. So thanks for checking it out.